Kids used to enjoy nature scavengers hunt games.
Sight.
1. Find something blue. 2. Find something tiny. 3. Find something patterned. 4. Find something long. 5. Find 6 of the same thing.
Taste.
Find something humans could eat. Find something animal would eat. Touch.
1. Find something smooth. 2. Find something wet. 3. Find something bumpy. 4. Find something warm. 5. Find something prickly. Sound.
1. Find an animal sound. 2. Find something that snaps. 3. Find something loud. 4. Find a soft sound. 5. Find something that crunches. Smell. Find a flower with scent. Find a smell you like. Thank you for watching.